Well, so I love your line, but I was also very surprised by it. I feel like I think as a dermatologist, I expected it to have all of the active ingredient
Yeah.
bells and whistles, um, because it's clear that you know what would be ideal for what concern. And so always, I was surprised when I saw that Restore was just this like really like nourishing, healing, simple place
Boring. Yeah.
to say, because when you have such an active routine or when you can easily gravitate that way, it's such a like pleasant and like soothing line. So I'm curious to know what made you go in that direction. um with
So thank you. So it's there's wisdom in its simplicity, right? So as a practicing dermatologist, I see every day people coming in being irritated, like inflamed, and skin's enraged. They're paying a bunch of money for a procedure, and then truly there weren't products I felt good recommending for people to use on their skin afterwards. And really the best thing out there was plain petroleum jelly, which does not hurt your skin and is totally fine to use, but your skin can't absorb anything for it. It's not actually food for your skin. So why I started with the healing balm, and that's in the giveaway that we're doing, is I needed something that would be safe to use on the most fragile skin, that would provide food and promote healing. And so it only has in it castor seed oil, castor wax, and glycerin. Glycerin is this magic ingredient that pulls water to wherever it is. And one of the things that slows healing of skin the most is when the skin barrier is damaged. It loses so much water that the little skin cells can't divide and replace themselves. So by putting a bunch of glycerin there, you hold all that water there. And then castor seed oil and castor wax are filled with fatty acids that the skin can use. So unlike petroleum, which just sits on the top layer of your skin and doesn't help, it just prevents water loss. The castor oil actually provides food and the glycerin provides water. And so I joke, it's like what you need on a desert island, right? It protects you, it provides food, it provides water. It's like everything you need. So that's what started it. And then sort of like, I'm sure you're going down this road now, after I fixed what to use after a procedure or surgery, I realized, as a dermatologist, I'm told to recommend Cetaphil. I don't know if you've used Cetaphil, but it's 8 ingredients. It doesn't take off your makeup. The last 3 are parabens. And I'm like, this is the best we have for sensitive skin.
I've never been impressed by it.
No.
I get that it's simple, and I do think, similar to what you're saying, some dermatologists are just like, calm down.
Calm down. But the thing is like, we know it's not going to irritate your skin, but we don't know what putting all those parabens onto your skin or into our world is going to do long term. And like, this is where I'm not a fear monger, but we do need to understand that our exposure to these chemicals were supposed to be like 0.0001%. And instead, because we're putting it all over our body for decades, our exposures are truly 100 and 1,000 times more than that. And we don't know what that means. So the point of my skincare line is and the reason why people love it is it's what you need in your time of need. So when your skin is irritated, inflamed, post-procedure, you can count on everything I use to be safe and to help return the skin to its beautiful, normal state. And then have at it with the other fun stuff. Get a new antioxidant, try a new retinol, do whatever you want. And then you'll jack up your face and then I'll get you back to normal again. And like, that's what I do as a doctor. So it like goes very well with, my whole thing.
I guess we're kind of there, but I know in your practice you have these brilliant products, and I'm sure your clients are always asking you like how to build a foundational skincare routine. So wondered if you had any like starting points, any foundational tips for that.
Yes, I do, of course. So once you start wearing sunscreen, which is, I think, sort of the first step, you have to also be washing your face, because fundamentally you put your sunscreen on in the morning, and then hopefully you're putting on your sunscreen, you're putting on your makeup, you go about your day. At the end of the day, there's a lot of buildup of things on your skin, even if you didn't work out or what have you. So really what I try to get people to do first and foremost is use sunscreen in the morning and then wash their face at night. And oftentimes I actually have them start with washing their face at night because I don't want them, you just got, this is like learning to floss your teeth. Like you really just have to get into a system. So you wash your face at night. Once you wash your, oh, I'm sorry.
Are you a fan of skipping the morning wash?
Yeah, you don't need to wash your face twice a day.
You see how oily I am? I wake up like.
Well, and like if you're super oily,
Yeah.
you're super lucky and you're never going to age, which is awesome. But also, there is a small group of people who do just feel like their makeup and things stick better if they wash their face in the morning. But I try to get people to wash their face just once a day.
Yeah.
So you wash your face at night. Once you wash your face, even if you have really oily skin, you do want to replace some of those essential oils so that your skin can hydrate and heal itself at night. So it might be a heavier cream or it might be a lighter lotion, but at night you wash your face and you do one of those two steps. Once people are doing that, then I really want them in the morning to get up, splash their face with water, wash their face if they need to. And then on that beautiful bare skin, that's where you need to put on something that's going to protect your skin from what's going to come after it during the day. And that's where, you know, the concept of antioxidants, vitamin C really has a lot of data to support it. So I use my HyperSkin in the morning. I don't wash my face. I splash my face with water. I do my HyperSkin. I want everyone to treat this as the same. Like people's necks and chests show their age. So you do a pump up here, you do a pump through here, then you follow that with a moisturizer if you need it. If you have oily skin, you may not need a moisturizer. Then you put on your sunscreen, and I want everyone to work on finding a zinc-based sunscreen that works with their skin. And if the brand that you love doesn't have it, harass them and ask them to make it for you because you should have it. Then you go about your day, then you wash your face. Then if you really want the extra credit, your evening is when you put in some sort of exfoliating treatment. That's alpha hydroxy acid, that's your retinol, which goes in before your moisturizer. And that's it. You don't need an eye cream. You don't need a toner. You don't need a neck and chest cream. That's all just ways to spend your money.
Okay. It's more simple than mine. I'm not doing the most, but that is much more simple than what I am doing. I do also think even though I'm oily, my skin has performed better when I've started to use a moisturizer twice a day. But like your face lotion.
Yeah.
Once I discovered the lightweight moisturizer, like my world changed. But you're saying you don't always need it in the morning.
Well, no, but I agree with you. I think most people are scared of moisturizers because they have natural oils, or they're treating their acne and they're using a product that's actually drying them out and they don't realize it and they're scared to use the lotion. So I do think a lightweight lotion in the morning and a heavier lotion in the evening or a cream works for most people. Some people, I'm like as dry as the day is long. So I use my face cream everywhere twice a day. Okay. And then I have a number of patients who use the lotion twice. And it doesn't matter. The thing about my products is they're all safe around your eyes. They all, have ingredients that are going to help combat the signs of aging while still being really calming. And so it's just, instead of spending all of this money, like $150 on eye cream and $150 on a neck cream and then a face cream, you don't need to. You need a singular product that agrees with your skin that you can use on a regular basis.